ananas.
Oh. Meow.
Princess, when did we get another cat?
It's not a real cat, silly.
It's my new pajama case.
Oh, I could do with one of those for my nightie. Princess, isn't it time for Puss and Scruff's tea?
Oh, yes. Come on, Scruff. Tea time. And you, Puss. Puss? Where's Puss gone?
Perhaps he's waiting downstairs. Shall we go and see him?
Puss? His food bowl's gone.
How peculiar.
Puss! Puss! Where is he? Prime Minister, I think Puss is missing.
Oh, dearie me. Not to worry. Let's go and call for him and ask if anyone has seen him.
Puss!
Puss! Puss!
Mummy, we're looking for Puss.
I passed him earlier. He didn't stop when I spoke to him.
Puss! Puss!
General, we can't find Puss.
Oh, when I saw him, he wouldn't say hello to Nessie and me.